Ratio and proportion. The number of times one quantity contains the another quantity of the same kind is called ratio of two quantities. A by B. A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. Duplicate. Duplicate is A square upon B square. Duplicate. Duplicate means A cube upon B cube. Subduplicate means under root A upon under root B. Subtriplicate means cube root of A upon cube root of B. Compound ratio. Ratio are compounded by multiplying together. Discuss this compound ratio using the example. Find the compound ratio of 4 by 3, 27 by 4, 2 by 15. 4 by 3 multiplied by 27 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 15. 3 9s are 27 and 2 2s are 4. 4 multiplied by 9 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 15 is equals to 36 upon 30 is equals to means 6 by 5 means the compound ratio of 4 by 3, 27 by 4, 2 by 15 is 6 by 5.